Hi everyone. I had part of the heads video disappear, but I did recover it and I made this video to show you how I paint the eyes. And here they all are. They are baked, they have their hair on, and they are ready to be painted. And painting the eyes is not that difficult. I'm going to start with the white. Now, if you do a lot of them, paint all your white of the eyes, let them dry, then paint all the black dots on. Do it like a production line. And I use acrylic paints, which I'm not sure if I show that to you here or not. I don't remember. Okay, let's get started here. I think I should have edited this. I'm also going to show you how to put on the blush. I forgot to put the blush on the ugly Princess Leia before she was baked, and I'll show you if you forget. Try not to forget. Always blush before you bake, but I'll show you how to do that. So all we're doing is just making the round or oval dots for the eyes. And it's very easy, and it goes quickly. Now for him, I'm making a little bit different. This is more of a cartoony kind of eye. I don't really care for it, but I thought I'd show you. Here's our ugly Princess Leia. And you see, I made her eyes kind of go to the side, kind of an oval to the side. And his eyes are closer together above the nose. Again, an oval instead of a round dot. And our green-haired guy. Now this is a little different. I always tell you, don't do that deer caught in the headlights look, but we're going to do that with him. She's getting smaller eyes. I should have made bigger eyes for her. This is just our regular guy. This is the baby. See? No hair. The baby. And we're putting his eyes a little further apart. Now on the snowman, we're just going to put little dots on the black clay. I think I made it a little too big. We'll see. And again, remember, these are on toothpicks, and that was just to show you and to make it easier for me to hold them so you could see them. That's our angry man. Here's our little strange lady, our wild woman. Just a little white dot on the black of the eye. Going to put some black paint down. And now make sure you wait till they dry. Oh, I'm a little off camera there. I'm sorry. And he just gets the oval eyes. And I put a little too much white on him. So, well, first I'm going to do the mouth now. I'm doing his in the traditional snowman mouth, like he's got pieces of coal to make a smile. Oh, I'm off camera. I'm so sorry. But I fixed his eyes. I covered some of that white. And now he just gets the round black eyes. And this is usually how I do my snowmen, but I don't do the carrot nose. I like the round orange nose, like this guy. And now these are dry, so we're going to go ahead and paint. Now you see, when you do the black of the eye, he's looking up, you can make him look down, to the side. Just don't make him look straight ahead. And she's kind of looking down at somebody or something. This is our little oddball elf. Now you could outline the white and black, but I don't really care for that look too much. Now see, you could stop here at this point, but I won't. I'm going to let that dry a little, but I'm going to come back to that one. And he's looking down at something, straight down at something. And he gets some white eyebrows. And this is our little baby. We just kind of have him looking to the side. It's the little baby head. And now this one, I'm putting the black right in the middle, but it doesn't look so much like a deer caught in the headlight looks because I don't have any white on the bottom. Now, if you have white with just that black dot right in the middle, then it's like, oh, wow, you don't want to do that. And we will be getting back to her in a minute. And this one is Crazy Me. That's how I feel sometimes. Frazzled. I guess that's the word. Frazzled. Too busy, too much of the time. And this one, I'm just going to make him look like he's laughing. This kind of makes them look like they're laughing. Now, if you do it the other way around, they look like they are sleeping. But he's laughing. He's having a good time. There they are. And now the other thing I like to do when the black is dried on the eyes, I like to put a little tiny white dot. I'm doing the red because I'm going to do a mouth. And I'm going to do some freckles on some of them. Did a little red mouth on my snowman. Do a little tiny mouth on the baby. There it goes. Of course, you can do these faces with any hairdos or whatever you want. It doesn't have to be just a baby. It could be anybody. He looks like he needs some freckles. I have freckles. I hated freckles when I was a kid. Not crazy about them now either. My arms are covered with freckles. Now you see, I forgot to put blush on her. Here's the thing. If you forget to put blush on, I hope you don't, just moisten the cheeks a little bit with just moisten them a little bit with a little bit of water. And then take your brush and just brush on some of the blush. But you don't want to do this to all of them. Please remember to add the blush before you bake. Yeah, I couldn't get it quite the way I wanted to, but it's all right. Put a little too much on there. But if you do forget, this is what you can do. Just moisten it a little bit and then put the blush over it. And it'll dry and the blush will stay on. It's my ugly Princess Leia. I will never make that face again. I really don't know what I was thinking when I did that. And this guy's going to get some freckles too. He's a little elf. And I'm defining the eyes a little bit with the black. And again, you could stop right there. And I'm just putting a little on the top, but you can also outline the entire white of those eyes if you want to. And when you make 20 of one ornament and all the ornaments look alike, when you paint those eyes, make sure you have an assortment of directions in which the eyes look, because that will make each ornament a little different. And people will look at him and go, oh, I like the way he's looking. Oh, I don't like the way he's looking. Oh, he reminds me of my Uncle Bill. That kind of thing. It maybe seems silly to do the little white dot in the eyes, but trust me, it makes a big difference. You may not see the difference on the video, but when you do it yourself and people are looking at your ornaments to purchase them, they notice all the little details. Now, in a future video, I will show you how to use non-polymer clay items to make hair. You can use yarn, rope, just about anything. And I'll show you how to do that a little down the road. And we are almost done. I don't know how that got lost on the other video, but if you want to skip the other video, here you are. And here is our motley crew. Not the rock group. Yeah, I probably could have edited that out too. And there they all are. And that's me looking frazzled. And that is the end of this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.